here in one of the many laboratories of the Vatican Museums. It's quite incredible how many works of art from different centuries and different continents are being brought here to be maintained and preserved for generations to come.
We are in the Marble Restoration Laboratory, and this is actually one of the first restoration projects that the patrons themselves began a little over 40 years ago. The many statues that are here, the many pieces of marble, come from very, very many periods of history. We can see pieces from pre-Christian, early Christian years, and then pieces that come from other parts of the world.
For the patrons, how do people actually choose which work of art they want to support, they want to adopt?
So when a patron decides that they want to adopt a project, we give them what we call a wish book, and they're able to look through it and pick out something that they're interested in. This is done by a chapter or an individual patron.
So you bring them down here, are they able to see what they're adopting?
That's one of the greatest benefits of being a patron, is that you're able to come down and visit the various laboratories that are here within the museums.
On a sample itinerary after a visit to the marble section, a patron's second stop would be the Painting and Wood Restoration Lab. Here, there's a particular emphasis on collaboration between restorers, curators, and the scientific department to determine proper diagnosis and treatment. In the analysis stage, they take a variety of ultraviolet, infrared, and X-ray scans to search for ongoing degradation or missing sections. Once all possible information is considered, the restorer can proceed according to instruction. In the textile lab, restorers repair rare articles belonging to key church figures. This saddle skirt was once for the horse of Pope Clement XIV, who was Roman pontiff from 1769 to 1774. He can be seen on that very saddle in an iconic painting of him riding above Lake Albano near the Apostolic Palace of Castel Gandolfo. This medieval tunic belongs to the treasury of St. John Lateran at the Holy Stairs, which holds some of the most sacred relics of Christianity. It was previously dated to the 6th to the 8th century, but carbon-14 dating now reveals that it also contains materials from the late 1st century AD. This finding, along with its age-old presence in the Sacra Sanctorum, means that it could have belonged to an early church father or apostle, such as St. John the Evangelist.
The fact that they dedicate their life to restoring this work for the world it's very inspiring.
We've met the restorers on several projects, and they get so excited that we're excited about the work that they're doing.
In a part of the tapestry laboratory known as the Sala di Tinture, these two are preparing to dye wool threads to match existing ones for a tapestry that was made by the school of Rafael. In their work, they first consult a recipe book of 1,781 colors and tints to determine the best match. Next, they mix the dyes and add water to a cylinder. Then they add plain threads. Once the cylinder is prepped, the restorer places it in a machine that mixes it together. This one can hold up to 8 cylinders for any given cycle. Afterwards, the threads are removed and left to dry. They make the final stage of their journey through the hands of the restorers by weaving their way into a tapestry.
To see the tiniest of details that they were working on was inspiring to me. This is, honestly, I think it's God's talent through their hands. I really do.
Next week on Vaticano, we continue with the fourth of 5 installments as we delve deeper into the connection between art and faith and see larger works being restored inside the Vatican Museums.